There is something instantly fun about a small electric dirt bike. It does not need to be massive. It does not need to be loud. It does not need to look intimidating to feel exciting. The MEGAWHEELS D2 is one of those bikes that looks approachable at first, but once it starts moving, it quickly becomes clear that this little dirt bike has a little bit more power and personality than expected. This is not an e-bike. That is important to say right away. The D2 may be electric, it may be compact, and it may be quiet compared to a gas dirt bike. But the way it rides, the way it accelerates, the way it climbs, and the way it handles rough roads makes it much closer to a real electric dirt bike than a bicycle with a motor. There are no pedals here. There's no pretending this is a bicycle. This is a throttle-controlled electric dirt bike built for riders who want something playful, powerful, and surprisingly capable. And so far, this may be the most fun experience in the dirt bike category that I've had so far. Not because it's the biggest bike, not because it has the wildest spec sheet, but because the D2 has the fun factor that makes every ride feel exciting. It feels light enough to be approachable, powerful enough to be thrilling, and comfortable enough to keep riding longer than expected. That combination is what makes it stand out. The MEGAWHEELS D2 comes with a 3,550 watt motor. It has a listed top speed of 40 miles per hour and has 204 Newton meters of torque. It has a 48 volt, 26 amp hour battery. It has a claim range of up to 53 miles, and it has a listed climbing ability of up to 35 degrees. On paper, those are strong numbers for a compact electric dirt bike, but the real surprise is that the D2 feels more powerful than the specs suggest. That is one of the biggest takeaways from riding it. The numbers say one thing, the ride feels even better. The power delivery is quick, strong, and confident. There's a real punch when the throttle comes in. There's a strong pull when the road starts climbing, and there's enough torque to make the bike feel eager instead of strained. That matters a lot on country mountain roads. Mountain roads can be steep, they can be uneven, and they can be bumpy. They can change from smooth to rough pretty quickly. And when a small electric dirt bike can stay fun in those conditions, that says a lot about the overall setup. The D2 does not feel like it's barely getting by. It feels like it wants to keep going. That is probably the most surprising part. For a little dirt bike, the hill climbing power is impressive. It has that feeling where the bike digs in and pulls forward instead of fading out. A lot of smaller electric rides can feel fun on flat ground, but once the road starts going upward, the excitement disappears. The D2 does not have that problem. The torque feels stronger than expected, the motor responds quickly, and the bike has enough power to make climbing hills feel fun instead of stressful. That is where the 204 Newton meters of torque really matters. Torque is what gives the bike that strong, low-end pull. It helps the bike get moving from slower speeds. It helps the bike keep momentum when the road points upward. And on the D2, the torque is one of the best parts of the ride. The bike feels surprisingly powerful when climbing hills. Not just good for its size, not just acceptable, surprisingly powerful. That is the phrase that fits. The D2 feels like it has more attitude than expected, and because it is electric, the power comes in smoothly and instantly. There's no waiting for an engine to build revs. There's no gear shifting, there's no complicated process, just throttle, response, and forward motion. That simple connection between the rider and the bike is one of the reasons electric dirt bikes are so fun. They make riding feel easy to get into. They lower the barrier, they remove some of the intimidation, but they still deliver that thrill of speed, grip, and control. The MEGAWHEELS D2 fits perfectly into that space. It is not a toy in the way it performs, but it is playful in the best possible way. It feels like the kind of bike that encourages riding more often, not because it demands expert skill right away, but because it makes the learning process enjoyable. And that matters because This is not about doing dirt bike tricks. No big jumps are needed, no wheelings are required, no advanced stunts, no pretending to be an expert rider. This is about enjoying the ride, building confidence, and learning more about dirt bikes over time. For someone newer to riding dirt bikes, the D2 feels like a really fun way to enter that world. It has enough power to be exciting, but it does not feel so large or overwhelming that the rider feels disconnected from it. That balance is one of its strengths. It lets the rider enjoy the feeling of a dirt bike without needing to immediately ride like a professional, and that makes it more approachable. The more time spent riding bikes like this, the more appealing this category becomes to me. Electric dirt bikes have a completely different personality than e-bikes. An e-bike is usually about transportation, exercise, commuting, or exploring with pedal assistance. A dirt bike is more about throttle control, suspension movement, body position, traction, and handling rougher terrain. A dirt bike can handle situations an e-bike is not really designed for. It can take bumps more naturally. It can deal with loose surfaces better. It can climb aggressively without needing pedals. It can feel more stable when the surfaces get rough. And they have the ability to turn a simple ride into something that feels exciting. That is the difference. An e-bike can be fun, but a dirt bike feels like play. The D2 is not trying to be a bicycle. It's not trying to blend into the e-bike category. It feels like a compact electric dirt bike with real torque, real speed, and real suspension comfort. And that gives it a different kind of purpose. It is more about the ride itself, the feeling, the acceleration, and the way the suspension moves, the way the brakes bite, the way the bike reacts when the terrain changes. That is what makes the D2 so enjoyable. One of the first things that stands out is how premium this little dirt bike feels. Compact electric dirt bikes can sometimes feel cheap, loose, or unfinished, or just rushed from the factory floor. The D2 does not give off that impression. The bike feels more solid than expected, the control feels good, the brakes feel strong, the suspension feels comfortable, and the overall ride has a polished feel that makes it seem like more than just a basic entry-level electric dirt bike. That premium feeling shows up in the small details, the way the bike responds to throttle input, the way it stays composed on rougher country roads, the way the suspension softens bumps, and the way the brakes feel controlled instead of harsh. The D2 feels like MEGAWHEELS wanted this bike to be fun, but also confidence-inspiring. That's a good combination because power alone is not enough. A bike can have a strong motor and still feel uncomfortable. A bike can be fast and still feel unstable. A bike can have a big battery and still feel rough after a few miles. The D2 feels more balanced than that. The motor brings the excitement, the suspension brings the comfort, the brakes bring the confidence, and the compact size brings the playfulness. That is why this bike works so well as a fun electric dirt bike. The suspension deserves a lot of attention. It is soft, and for bumpy country roads, that is a good thing. Some riders may prefer a firmer setup, especially if they're riding aggressively or doing jumps. But for rough roads, gravel sections, uneven pavement, and general mountain biking, a softer suspension can make the bike much more enjoyable. The D2 has that comfortable, forgiving feel. It takes the sharpness out of the bumps. It reduces the vibration. It helps keep the ride feel less harsh, and it makes the bike easier to ride for longer periods of time. That matters more than some people might think, because when a bike rattles the rider too much, the ride becomes tiring. The hands get tired, the arms get tired, the body starts absorbing every bump, and eventually the fun starts fading. The D2 avoids a lot of that because the suspension has a soft, comfortable character. It smooths out the ride, it makes rough roads feel less punishing, and it gives the bike a more relaxed, enjoyable feel. That soft suspension makes the D2 feel like a bike that wants to be ridden longer, not just taken out for a quick test, not just used for a few minutes of fun, but actually ridden and enjoyed. The more comfortable the bike feels, the more tempting it becomes to keep going. That is exactly what happens here. The D2 encourages longer rides because it does not beat up the rider. And on bumpy roads, that is one of the best features it has, because when my back starts hurting, that's when I start heading home. Alright, let's talk a little bit more about the brakes. The brakes also feel premium. That's another important point. When a bike has this much torque and a listed top speed of 40 miles per hour, braking performance matters. A fun bike still needs to feel controlled. A powerful bike still needs to feel manageable. And when riding on roads with hills, curves, loose patches, or sudden surface changes, the brakes become a major part of the experience. The D2's brakes feel strong and reassuring. They give the rider confidence to enjoy the power because slowing down feels controlled. That balance between acceleration and braking is what makes a bike feel complete. A strong motor without strong brakes can make a bike feel nervous, but the D2 has enough braking confidence to match the fun of the motor. That is a big reason this bike feels more premium than expected. The brakes help the bike feel serious. They make downhill sections easier to manage, they help control speed before curves, and they make the bike feel safer when conditions change. The D2 feels like the kind of bike that can make someone excited about dirt bikes, even without a background in dirt bike riding. No tricks needed, no advanced skills required, just a willingness to learn, a respect for the power, and an appreciation for how much fun this type of machine can be. That is what makes the D2 special. It takes the dirt bike experience and makes it approachable. It gives enough performance to feel exciting, and it keeps the ride simple and enjoyable. The 3,550 watt motor gives it a real punch. The 204 Newton meters of torque gives it a strong climbing confidence. The 48 volt 26 amp hour battery gives it useful range. The 40 mile per hour listed top speed gives it excitement. The 35-degree climbing ability gives it capability. The soft suspension gives it comfort, and the premium feeling brakes give it control. Together, those features make the D2 feel like more than just another small electric ride. There is no long adjustment period needed to understand the appeal. The throttle response is fun, the climbing power is fun, the suspension is fun, the compact size is fun, and the overall ride has that addictive electric dirt bike feeling. This is not an e-bike, it is an electric dirt bike, and it brings a completely different kind of energy. It can climb hills without needing pedals. It can absorb rough roads with soft suspension. It can handle bumpy country riding with more confidence. It can deliver instant torque in a way that feels exciting every time the throttle opens. And it can make a newer dirt bike rider want to learn more, ride more, and spend more time with this kind of machine. For riders who want a fun, compact electric dirt bike with surprising power and a comfortable ride, the MEGAWHEELS D2 is easy to appreciate. It feels premium, it climbs well, it brakes with confidence, it rides comfortably over bumpy roads, and above all else, it is seriously fun. Thanks for watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us on this electrifying journey. This is Jeremy Vinny, signing off. We'll see you on the next one.